Picture this. You spend $150 on what you think is a brand new G.Skill DDR5 RAM kit from Amazon. It arrives in a perfectly sealed box. The heat spreader looks exactly right. The RGB lighting works. You install it in your system, fire up your PC, and everything seems fine. Until 3 weeks later, when your system starts crashing randomly, your games are stuttering, and a memory diagnostic test reveals the modules are running at half the speed printed on the box and are throwing errors on every other pass. You were scammed. And the worst part is that you had absolutely no way to know it before you bought it, because the counterfeit kit sitting in that box was built using the exact same printed circuit board, the exact same heat spreader design, and the exact same RGB hardware as the genuine product. This is not a hypothetical. This is exactly what has been happening to PC builders across the UAs, UK, and Canada, and the scale of the problem just got confirmed at the world's biggest PC hardware show. Here is everything you need to know to make sure it does not happen to you. The confirmation that made this story impossible to ignore came straight from the companies being counterfeited. At Computex 2026 in Taipei, representatives from both G.Skill and V-Color spoke directly to reporters from Tom's Hardware about counterfeit DDR5 modules carrying their branding that have been appearing on Chinese marketplaces and filtering into international gray market supply chains. What made this particular wave of fakes different from everything that came before it was the level of sophistication involved. Previous counterfeit RAM was relatively easy to spot because it used cheap plastic chips glued to circuit boards, or low-quality stickers that peeled at the corners, or heat spreaders that did not quite match the originals in color or finish. This new generation of counterfeits is a different problem entirely. V-Color's spokesperson told Tom's Hardware that the fake modules use PCBs that are visually identical to their genuine products, heat spreaders that match the original designs exactly, and in some cases the same RGB lighting hardware. "We do not really know how they are doing it," the spokesperson said. "The PCB looks the same, even the heat spreader looks identical." The timing of this counterfeit wave is not a coincidence, and understanding why it is happening now helps explain why it is particularly dangerous for buyers in 2026 specifically. DDR5 prices have been rising sharply for the past 18 months as the global memory shortage driven by AI infrastructure demand has drained available NAND and DRAM supply from the consumer market. High-end DDR5 kits that cost $60 to $80 18 months ago now sell for $120 to $150 or more at authorized retailers. That widening gap between official retail prices and what buyers expect to pay creates the perfect environment for counterfeit operations to exploit. When a genuine G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB kit costs $150 from an authorized retailer, and a listing on a gray market channel offers what appears to be the same kit for $90, the price difference is large enough to seem like a deal rather than an obvious warning sign. Counterfeiters specifically engineer that pricing gap to feel like a bargain rather than a scam. The Amazon angle of this story is the part that should concern US and UK buyers the most, because the problem is not limited to obviously sketchy third-party marketplaces in other countries. Amazon's fulfilled by Amazon and fulfilled by merchant systems. Both have documented vulnerabilities that counterfeiters and scammers have been exploiting. The most well-documented case involved a buyer in Europe who purchased a sealed Adata XPG DDR5 32GB kit from Amazon and received a box that had been professionally resealed after someone swapped the genuine DDR5 modules with old DDR2 sticks glued to metal weights to match the package weight. The package looked factory new. The seal showed no signs of tampering. Amazon's automated logistics system restocked the returned item as new inventory without opening the box to verify its contents, which is exactly how the fraudulent kit ended up in a sealed box on a shelf waiting for the next buyer. The RAM crisis is bringing out DDR5 counterfeiters at a level and sophistication that the PC hardware market has genuinely not dealt with before, and Amazon's own infrastructure is being used as an unwitting distribution channel. There's a second and equally important type of scam running alongside the sophisticated counterfeit operation, and it targets buyers who are trying to save money during Prime Day sales or other discount events. Sellers on Amazon's marketplace have been listing RAM kits that photograph as genuine high-speed DDR5 products, but ship modules that have been relabeled with higher speed specifications than the chips inside can actually support. The actual DRAM dies inside the modules may be genuine in the sense that they are real memory chips, but they are lower binned components that cannot reliably achieve the speeds printed on the heat spreader. Your system may boot and run seemingly normally at stock settings, because modern memory controllers default to conservative safe speeds rather than the rated XMP profile speed. It is only when you enable the XMP or Expo profile in your BIOS to run at the advertised speed that the instability, crashes, and memory errors begin appearing, often days or weeks into ownership, when your return window has narrowed significantly. The specific brands that US, UK, and Canadian buyers need to treat with extra caution when purchasing from third-party Amazon sellers include G.Skill, V-Color, and Adata, which are all brands that have been explicitly named in Counterfeit reports from 2025 and 2026. Corsair has also been dealing with the problem and recently changed its packaging design specifically to make return fraud more difficult to execute without visible evidence of tampering. None of this means you should avoid these brands entirely, because these are all legitimate and in many cases excellent memory manufacturers whose genuine products are worth buying. What it means is that where you buy from matters as much as what you buy. Purchasing directly from the brand's own Amazon storefront or from authorized retailers including Newegg, B&H Photo, Micro Center, and Best Buy provides a fundamentally different level of protection than purchasing from a third-party marketplace seller with 300 reviews and a name you have never seen before. Here is the practical checklist you should run through before completing any RAM purchase online, because the combination of rising prices and increasingly sophisticated counterfeits means that gut instinct and brand recognition are no longer sufficient protection on their own. First, check whether the listing is sold and fulfilled directly by the brand or by Amazon itself, versus sold by a third-party merchant even if fulfilled by Amazon. Third-party merchant listings carry meaningfully higher risk regardless of their review scores. Second, cross-reference the price against the brand's official website and against multiple authorized retailers. If the price you are seeing is more than 15 to 20% below what authorized retailers are charging, that price gap is the scam. Third, check the seller's return policy before purchasing and be suspicious of any listing that specifies no returns or limits returns in ways that differ from Amazon's standard policy. Legitimate sellers of genuine products have no reason to restrict returns. The physical inspection steps you can take when your RAM actually arrives are equally important and can catch some counterfeits before you install them in your system. Start by examining the packaging itself before opening it. Genuine memory kits from established brands like G.Skill and Corsair have tight, precise packaging with consistent printing quality and no spelling errors on the box. Look specifically at the heat spreader finish under good lighting. Genuine high-end DDR5 heat spreaders have a precise, consistent finish that is difficult and expensive to replicate at scale. Run your fingernail along the edge of any stickers on the modules. Genuine manufacturer stickers have a specific texture and adhesion quality that cheap counterfeit stickers do not replicate accurately. If the kit claims to be RGB, plug it in and verify that the RGB lighting behaves exactly as shown in the manufacturer's product photos and videos before you run any performance tests. The software verification step is the one that most buyers skip because they assume the hardware is fine if the system boots normally, and that assumption is exactly what counterfeiters are counting on. After installing your RAM and booting into Windows, download CPU-ZID, which is a free system information tool, and verify that the SPD tab shows the correct manufacturer, part number, and speed specifications that match what you paid for. Then run memtest86, which is a free bootable memory testing tool, for at least 2 full passes before trusting the modules with any important data or work. A genuine, properly manufactured DDR5 kit running at its rated XMP speed should complete multiple memtest86 passes with 0 errors. Any errors during memtest86 indicate either a counterfeit module, a defective genuine module, or a compatibility issue between the modules and your platform that needs to be resolved before you rely on that memory for anything important. The broader context that makes this counterfeit wave particularly damaging for buyers is the interaction with the memory shortage itself. When RAM prices were low and supply was abundant, receiving a defective or counterfeit kit was an annoying but relatively affordable problem to fix because replacement kits were cheap and readily available. In 2026, with DDR5 prices significantly elevated and some specific high-performance configurations genuinely difficult to find at any price, discovering that your expensive kit is counterfeit after your return window is closed creates a more serious financial problem than it would have 2 years ago. The combination of the high prices creating motivation for counterfeiters, sophisticated manufacturing that makes fakes harder to detect, and Amazon's logistics vulnerabilities allowing fraudulent returns to re-enter the supply chain as new products has created conditions that are genuinely worse for buyers than anything the PC hardware market has dealt with in recent memory. The practical guidance that G.Skill, V-Color, and Adita have all given publicly is consistent and worth stating directly. Buy your memory from authorized partners and official resellers, not from gray market channels or unfamiliar third-party marketplace sellers, regardless of how good the price looks. Every dollar saved by buying from an unauthorized source is a dollar that comes with real and meaningful risk attached to it in the current market environment. The brands themselves are working on enhanced authentication features, including QR codes linked to verification databases and improved packaging security measures, but those solutions are still rolling out and do not protect you from kits already in circulation. Right now, in the middle of Prime Day 2026, with its flood of third-party seller listings competing for your attention with aggressively low prices, the single most protective thing you can do is buy from an authorized source even when it costs more, because the alternative is a real and growing chance of opening your new RAM kit and finding something that has no business being inside it. The memory scam problem is one more symptom of a PC hardware market that has been under unusual stress for 18 months, and it will get better as the underlying shortage eases and prices normalize. But that normalization is not expected before late 2027 at the earliest, according to industry analysts, which means the conditions that make counterfeiting attractive to bad actors will persist for another year or more. Until then, treating every too-good-to-be-true RAM deal with healthy skepticism, buying from authorized sources, running proper verification tests when your kit arrives, and knowing your return rights before you complete any purchase are the practical tools available to protect yourself. The PC hardware community has always rewarded buyers who do their homework, and in 2026, doing your homework before you buy RAM has never mattered more.